Hi, today's eye look is going to be an olive green or khaki look for the eyes. There seems to be a trend towards using colour again this year, and so I'm going to show you how you can bring the changes from just wearing a brown neutral eye to wearing an olive neutral eye. So I'm going to start with something more everyday today, and then I might do some other looks that are a little bit more glam after that. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes. I've already done my base, and the products I've used I'll link down below. So I'm just going to use my trusty Plouise eye base just to prime the eyes. I'm just going to apply it with my Smashbox concealer brush, and it's just going to be to get rid of redness. I'm not going crazy with this today. It's literally just to prevent my shadow from creasing, make it last longer. As I say, just get rid of that redness that's on my eye. Okay, so you can use any mid-tone green or olive or khaki shadow for this. I'm going to use my Peaches and Cream Eden pigment. I'm just going to put a little bit into the lid. It's just a bit easy to control then. And I'm using my Kitstars N30, just flat shader brush. And I'm going to just pick that up, just knock off the excess, and then just pack that all over the lid. So I'm just using one colour, and I'm just going to go all over. So I'm using the edge of the brush just to go along the edge of my crease, and then I'm pulling up the outer edge because I have hooded eyes. I found this is more flattering than a round look on myself. And then I'm just using the flat edge just to pack on the lid. So I just want to be able to see that colour when I open my eyes and look ahead. Next, I'm taking my Kitstars N31 tapered shading brush. It's a nice big fluffy brush, and my Armstrong Cheat the Heat bronzing powder. And I'm just going to use that, just the tip, just to soften the edge of the green and just blend it outwards and just up into my crease. I'm going to take my Mally Evercolour eyeliner, and in Espresso, it's a dark chocolate brown, and I'm just going to line the top of my eye quite roughly, just rubbing that into the corner and right into the base of my lashes. I'm also going to take that same chocolate brown liner and just line underneath my lash line, so not in my inner rim, just about a third of the way, because I'm just going to blend this. And then back in with my N32 Kitstars shader brush, and back into my Eden Peaches and Cream pigment, and I'm just going to smudge that underneath my eye. So this is smudging the eyeliner, softening it, and just adding in that green hint underneath. Okay, I've just curled my lashes and put on 3 coats of the Armstrong Miraculous Volume Lash Mascara. The more I use this, actually, the more I like it, so that's good. I think it just needs loading up the brush a little bit more. And then I'm just going to add a little inner corner highlight, just something quite subtle. This is just Naked Lunch by MAC. Sorry, that's my eyeliner. Try it on my hand. And this is my N30 small tapered shader brush from Kitstars. So it's just going to go in the inner corner, and I might just put a little bit under the brow bone. And that's it, that's the finished look. A nice, different, neutral eye look. Bring up the changes a little bit from brown and go for an olive green. Take care and see you soon.